converting a sprinkler to a drip zone. I'm hiding in my she shed because Jim's a little too raring to go, should we say?
Here's Jimmy! Nancy! Nancy, are you hiding in the she shed again?
And as you can see,
I found it! I've identified the zone!
I need a plan.
Hey, Nancy.
Hi, Bill.
Should we give Jim a hand?
Yes.
Good job choosing your zone, Jim.
Oh, thanks, Bill.
Now this is a great area to convert because trees and shrubs need water delivered slowly to the root. A drip system allows water to be absorbed using hoses and microtubing. So water is stored in the soil, reducing evaporation.
So it's more water-wise.
That's right, Nancy.
It's this valve. Hey, guys, it's this valve.
Oh, good, Jim. Now we just follow the lateral line from the designated valve and dig a medium-sized hole just outside the box. And we want to expose about 10 to 15 inches of pipe.
Let's dig in.
You can convert your zone before or after planting.
We like to be ahead of the game. You know, the plant game thing.
Aren't you hot in that?
Nancy, what are you doing? Cut it out.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, Jim.
Nancy's right. After cutting out a section of the lateral line, we have to install this 2-in-1 pressure regulator and filter. Connect the regulator to the open end of the lateral line. Now you may need an adapter to make the connection.
All right, we got this. All right,
regulator.
Regulator, yes. Check.
Thank you.
All right, let's get it done.
All right,
Fantastic.
screwdriver.
Oh, yes, 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 there you go.
Thanks.
You got it.
And just
Nice.
taking that.
And then that one.
On the other side of the regulator, go ahead and connect the drip tubing. Use screw down clamps on both ends to secure the regulator or adapters in place. Protect your regulator by installing a separate valve box around it and bury the old lateral line.
Okay, this isn't working.
Now we're ready to install the drip tubing. Everything all right here, guys?
Oh, sure.
Your tubing should be at least a ½ inch in diameter. Now just run the tubing, securing it with pins every foot or so. Now you want your tubing to be within about a foot of each plant, so when we install the microtubing, it can reach. Punch holes in the drip line using a standard punch and install 2 to 4 drip emitters near each plant. Make sure every plant has the same number of emitters with the same flow rate. And this promotes even root growth and ensures consistent distribution of water throughout the zone. And always make sure to schedule your sprinkler system accordingly. Next, install 1/4 inch microtubing and run it to the base of each plant.
There you go, thirsty little guy.
And that's it. Just don't forget to cap any remaining sprinkler heads that you have in the zone.
Yeah, we don't need those dippy, drippy sprinkler heads anymore.
Wait, when do I get to use my power tools?
Yeah, we really didn't need those this time.
I'm going back to my she shed.
That's what she said.